Alright, this is a brand new store. Brand new elevator here at Raley's in Sacramento, California. I need to hurry up and get in this thing. Yeah. Ooh, it's white. Nice. Ooh, look at how nice this cab is. Yep, brand new ThyssenKrupp. Mezzanine. Oh, wow. ThyssenKrupp elevator. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's all seating out there. Look at that. This is the nicest Raley's I've ever been in. This is a brand new elevator. It literally opened up a few months ago. Or no, actually no, a few weeks ago. Man, it has that new elevator smell. Man, it smells good. MaD Atoll right there. Yeah, this is really nice. Look at this cab. Quite an interesting cab. LED lights. Nice. Yes, elevator. Yep. Hydroelectric.